Let's say you're sharing your site with clients or asking for feedback on your design. From anywhere in Webflow, at the top right corner, click Share. And there are a few options here, each designed for a different level of access and trust. If you want to invite a collaborator, someone who can actually work on your site with you, just type in their email, choose whatever role you want them to have, then invite. Once they accept, they'll join your workspace and have access to this site from their own Webflow account. And they can do whatever they want, depending on the role you gave them. Need someone's feedback? Consider giving them a share link. And if you're sending to someone who isn't in your workspace, make sure you set it to anyone with a link. Copy the link and send it to anyone whose feedback you need. They'll see your site with comment-only permissions and can leave design or content-specific feedback directly on your site, which is great until someone comments make it pop. And when you're done, when you don't want just anyone to have access anymore, you can disable the public share link by switching access back to only workspace members. Next, if you want to share your site with the rest of the Webflow interface, you can send a Sandbox link. Toggle it on and copy the link. The Sandbox site will take anyone to your site within Webflow. They can edit content, change the design, but rest assured, any changes they make will not be saved to your actual site. This is great for mocking up ideas, debugging, or showing someone how your site is built without letting them actually touch anything important. And at any time, you can turn off the Sandbox link by toggling it off in the same place. But if you want to share your site without the Webflow interface, aka just look at it like a normal visitor would, you can share the staging domain. This is not your production site. Anyone who clicks on that link will be taken to the most recently published version of your site. And if you're on Enterprise, you can lock this down to workspace members and guests only. So to recap, invite collaborators when you want someone working directly on your site. Use a share link for comments and feedback. Send a Sandbox link to safely explore your site inside Webflow, and share the staging domain to look at your site on any browser or device. Whether you want feedback, collaboration, or a no-risk playground, Webflow gives you a sharing option that fits to help you sleep better at night.